Okay, so I've got the Ecoflow River Pro here, and I've got the extra battery with it. And just wanted to let everybody know that I've seen some videos of people having issues when these are linked up. So I'm going to show you what happens when this links up. You'll see the screen here. You see this icon pop up right here? Okay, so that's the icon letting you know that the battery is linked. And then you're going to get indicator lights that it's on. So now you can hook this up, and if this is not up, then you're not using the battery. You can turn this off and on with this even when it's linked up, even if you're not seeing this. But if you don't see this light or this little indicator here, that means you're not using the power from this in here. So I know that's a little bit confusing, because you can control both of them by this button when it's hooked up. But if this is not on there, then you're not linked. If that happens, don't freak out. Go get on your app, select it, go to settings, go down here to firmware, which I'm up to date, but it'll say new version, click on it, and then upgrade. So once you do that, it'll go through the steps. This has to be linked to your Wi-Fi. You can't do this unless it's linked to your Wi-Fi. So you'll go through that, get it linked. Once it's linked, go through the prompts to get that updated. Once it's updated, have the machines off, plug it up, turn it back on. That should be on. So even if it's plugged up, when you unhook this, that goes off. So just know if that indication is not on, you're not using your extra battery.